Gratitude and brotherhood that was shown today is just something you don't ever see very much, but we're very appreciative to our departments around us that help.
More than a dozen agencies assisted in a grass fire in Chelsea that burned several hundred acres today. The call came in just before noon for several small fires about 3 miles east of town. 2 News Oklahoma reporter Caitlin Rivas was there, and she spoke with crews about how the fire spread so fast and the possibility of the cause being arson.
Just 3 miles east of Chelsea sits hundreds of acres of rural land. That land now charred after fire tore through the countryside Saturday.
Chief Sampson says 4 small fires were started just off the roadway here in the ditch, and because of the wind we had today, those 4 small fires quickly spread to hundreds of acres.
They're still investigating what started the fire, and Chief Sampson believes they're looking at arson.
When you have 4 different fires within 200 yards, it's pretty obvious and pretty known of what happened.
As powerful winds swept the flames across dry pastures, it took fire crews from 14 different agencies to battle the flame.
Multiple houses were endangered. One of them was pretty close to burning. Luckily, we had units on scene on it.
Chief Sampson says 10 homes were evacuated and the flames destroyed a camper trailer, but no one was injured. He says the fire isn't the only thing crews are battling.
With the terrain we're in right now, we're unable to get to some of the fires. So what we're having to do is we have bulldozers coming in from our district, number 1. They're cutting paths into the fire. That way we can follow up with the grass rig, but it's going to be an all-night ordeal.